The final part of our VILS submissions is to submit your micro-credential. To be able to do this, you'll need to log into the Digital Promise website. You can either do that by using the link here. If you use this link, you will need to search for your micro-credential. Make sure that you click on the icons that say VILS. When you do that, that's what you'll be looking for. Or you can access the document that we had here earlier in the PowerPoint that has a link straight to the micro-credential. So I'm going to go ahead and just open this social emotional learning micro-credential. It's going to go into the Digital Promise website. I can see here that I'm already logged in, and this is where I will verify, if you scroll all the way down again, verify the tasks that you are going to be working on. So part 1, part 2, there is a rubric here that you can click on to see what it will look like for passing or not passing. Some of these give you more directions as far as what they're looking for. You will then, when you're ready to submit, go ahead and click on Apply. And what that does is opens up boxes for you to enter your responses. I will give you a hint. The documents in here do not spell check or anything like that. So it will be a good idea for you to do these prompts in a Word document and save them, and then come back later and paste into here. When you get done with each of these things, you at the very bottom will be able to click Save. There are some places in here, depending on what the documentation is, where you might need to upload an attachment or provide a link. So you could do that, for example, in Google Docs, and you can share that link in here, but just make sure that the permissions are set so that if you're using links, anyone can view them. Or you can drag a document that you've written and place it into these boxes. Okay, at the very bottom then, it will have you confirm in each of these boxes, and then you can either save the draft to come back later or submit it. By the way, the submit application will not come up until you've completed something in each of those boxes. All right, so that is the final part of this VILS micro-credential. When you get done, you will get an email that tells you you have submitted, and you will need to forward that to me so I can mark you off as having completed it. The grading process usually takes a couple of weeks before you find out whether you have passed or not. And remember, if you do pass your micro-credential, you can submit that work for college credit, and you can check with me if you have any questions about that.